Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be continuing with our organon revision series and taking the topic action of medicines. Medicines are capable of altering the state of health of the living organisms. Such capability is due to the following two types of action. See aphorism 63. First, primary action, and second, secondary action. Primary action. Definition. Primary action is the first action of medicines on the vital force. It may also be defined as the first phase of the biphasic action of medicine. In paragraph aphorism 63 of Organon of Medicine, Hahnemann says every agent that acts upon the vitality, every medicine deranges more or less the vital force and causes a certain alterations in the health of the individual for a longer or a shorter period. This is termed as primary action. In aphorism 112 of Organon of Medicine, Hahnemann writes, primary action is the proper action of medicines on the vital force. Discussions. Hence, the primary action of or first action of the medicines consists of the immediate changes induced by it on the organism. Example of primary actions and secondary action: a person heated by violent exercises, primary action, is afterward affected with chilliness and shivering, which is secondary action. A person was heated by drinking wine, primary action, yesterday. Today the person feels too cold, secondary action. A person takes strong coffee and feels very lively, primary action, but afterward he feels sluggish and drowsy for a long time, secondary action. Opium causes deep sleep, first night, primary action, but following nights will be more sleepless, secondary action. Secondary action of medicines. Definition. The automatic defensive reaction of the vital force against the primary action of the medicines is called as secondary action. It is the second phase of biphysical action of the medicines. According to Hahnemann, to its action, our vital force endeavors to oppose its own energy. This resistance action is indeed an automatic action of our life-preserving power, which goes by the name of secondary action or counteraction. This action depends on the following two factors: on the intensity of primary action and the condition of the constitution. Examples. Types. Types. The secondary action, which is the reaction of the vital force, may be of two types: secondary counteraction and secondary curative action. Secondary counteraction: when an exact opposite condition of primary action is possible, the vital force reacts equally and opposite to the primary action. Secondary curative action: when an exact opposite condition of the primary action in nature is not possible, the vital force indifferentiates itself and employs its increased energy to extract the medicinal disease, which gradually decreases spontaneously. This type of secondary action is known as secondary curative action. Thank you.